watching for the signs. Took a trip to clear my mind. Oh, now I'm even more lost and you're still so fine.
Hey y'all, so first of all, I forgot my vlogging camera at City's house. We're having a sleepover, guys. Kiana's here. City, we're sleeping at City's house tonight. Y'all know we're going to the beach tomorrow. We went to Walmart and literally, like, I forgot to vlog, but her and her boyfriend were fussing the whole entire time.
It was a lot of ice chest, but he listened to me.
No, it was everything. Every aisle we went on, like, they had some type of fuss. So basically, I was distracted trying to keep them on track because Walmart was about to close the whole time.
Camera blurry.
So
I like her whole dude, like her whole outfit.
yeah. Basically, we're at Waffle House right now because we're fat, and they're probably gonna go at City's house. Either we'll probably fall asleep. I feel like we're gonna fall asleep. But
yeah, this looks so good. I'm probably gonna take. Oh,
it's too saturated.
Keandra? Cinnamon waffles.
All right, y'all. We'll talk to y'all in the morning. We're prepping for the beach. Going to the beach. Beach. Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink. Click.
That bitch is like me. Oh, also, if you wanna I think it's like hot and annoying back
in City's house. We're having
the first one is like a sleepover. It's kind of loud.
A sleepover.
Ain't gonna wake nobody up.
Yeah, mouth. William. That's what she was.
Here,
get up. Oh, this mine. Yeah. I had to buy baby wipes.
Okay. Look how
I'll try them on when I try it on. Like, oh wait, City, I need my shorts, my jean shorts.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Hey guys, so we're up. City braided my hair for me. Okay, got me looking right. Okay. Anyway, y'all, so we're up. I know I look a lot like I already looked. City's up here we're grilling on the beach, so she's up here making onions. I don't eat onions, but she loves her onions, so yeah. But yeah, I didn't even really sleep last night. Like, we went to sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's now 4:48, and I just stayed up and watched Netflix. So that's what I did. And then once the movie went off, I was just kind of up or whatever, just waiting, because I knew that it was almost time to get up anyway. So I was just waiting for our alarms to go off. But once they get everything together, we're gonna head by City's boyfriend, and then we'll soon be heading out. Hopefully I will be able to sleep on the road, but until then. All right, guys, we're on the road. All right, like, hey Xavier. Oh, you being fake.
No, we're on our way to Alabama. You know what it is. Always.
Oh, shit. Back up. This Xavier trying to be fake. What'd you say?
It's close to my face.
Okay, what do y'all want me to do? Okay, go ahead.
You know, we're on our way to Alabama. You know. It's the same.
Oh, bro. Get your script together.
City. Hey, City, you have to look at the camera.
Hey, roommate. Wait, can Dustin vlog me? Can Dustin vlog me?
Dustin vlog your wait.
It's looking good lighting too. No, hey guys! We're on the way to Gulf Shores for the beach. If everyone's excited, say woohoo! Woo! Alright.
Why y'all be the only ones that be over the top? Doing the most.
Nobody else excited. Y'all make me go ahead.
Look at that lighting. Alright, well. See that? It's 9 degrees. High quality liners.
I'm joked out at Xavier.
We just stay right here.
Do better. Alright, y'all. We made it onto the beach.
Look at this.
Y'all just sit on a hammock. I don't even know what to see. Xavier. Say hey, Xavier. Sid, roommate. Hey. We out here on the beach, okay? Must be lit. Hey guys, can y'all say hey to my vlog?
Hey, how you doing?
We're at the beach. It's lit. Okay. I just wanted y'all to be a part. So yeah, we're super excited. Just got here, set up. Let me just show y'all the setup. Got the hammock over there. Got the tent, the grills under the tent. That's Chris and Josh's setup. So we're out here.
We out here, you know what we doing, you know what I'm saying? Beach day.
Yeah, beach day.
Ain't nothing but the best.
2017. But yeah, we're out here. and we just got out here. They were just chilling. I just want to get in the water because I have sand in my feet. And is it comfortable?
No, my trash bag.
Catch my physique. It's a trash can.
Okay, start on the hose, Xavier. Wait, I freaking joked. This boy told me catch my physique. What are you, in a freaking gun show? It's a gun show. It's a gun show. Wow. Wait, what you call those things? Like a yeah, you think he a bodybuilder, y'all. Don't worry about Xavier. Think he shit. Alright, y'all. We gonna come back. Y'all sitting on the hammock. Y'all was why drama giving me on here because this makes me really feel uneasy and anxiety. Just like you relaxing, just chilling here. Vlogging on my phone because my camera is over there. I didn't feel like getting it. But yeah, I have sand. I have so much sand on the floor. I don't know if y'all saw that. I can barely see. Are there 4 people? Yeah. Like just for public event? Yeah. What? Girl, nobody worry about you. It wasn't us.
Nobody do nothing about you.
Oh, see, I don't appreciate being accused of something I didn't do.
Sit, take a nap, go to sleep, wake up, be it at me.
This girl. You know, we just got out the water, as you can tell. I'm like soaking wet, my hair is wet, it looks a mess. It's a lot going on, it's a lot of drama. They had me and Keandra out there. We both scared us. We don't know how to swim, scared of water. And they were just trying to like make us face our fears, had us do all this craziness. And it was scary, like I didn't like it. And my head is itching really bad. And everything just looks bad because my hair got wet. And that's what it looks like when it gets wet. So my eyes are probably red. Alright y'all, me and Keandra walking on the beach. Today has been really nice. Honestly, it's not even 2 o'clock yet, and like it feels like it's like 8 o'clock at night. Like it just feels like we've been out here for a minute. We really haven't though. Yeah, it's really chill. Like I literally haven't slept. Like I didn't sleep last night. I didn't sleep on the way here. Hopefully I can sleep on the way back. If I don't, I'm definitely gonna crash once I get home. But like I don't know, we just really haven't been sleeping. We're about to go walk along the water, so I thought I would travel with my camera. I'm not bringing y'all in the water, so.
Charlie?
You know they don't wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. 'Cause I got you. Anytime you're under the weather, babe, we can always go. If I gotta pull up on you on the east side in a late night in a disguise, you know I could pull up on.
Taking a romantic stroll. What is this? Girl, I was acting crazy, I was acting real. Okay, me and Keandra are having a romantic stroll. The other thing, we're just saying how, you know, if you're here with your significant other, you can walk along the beach line, talk about life or things. I don't know what you were talking about. I ain't got no significant other, but so you talk about, Keandra said we were acting crazy earlier because we and our friends were in the water, and like me and Keandra, you know, not really the best water people, and they were just trying to pull us. Our friend Xavier, like he's a boy, and like I was all like literally clutching onto him for dear life, okay? And Keandra was with Josh, so I was not trying to go too deep in the water. When the waves literally took over me, I didn't like that feeling. I don't like it. The water was nasty. I had salt taste on my lips.
Oh God, that's the worst. The salt in the eyes, the salt in the mouth, the salt in the ears, everything.
Yes, once that taste got in your mouth and your eyes would be burning and your mouth would taste nasty. Like it just wasn't really a good experience, honestly and truly in life. So whatever. I mean, we're probably gonna get back in the water later, but at the time, like it's just when people have a fear, they got some type of people that try to help you get over your fear by like forcing you to like do your fear, and it's like that's not the way to approach every situation, especially water, because water is a real fear. Like swimming and stuff like that, if you don't know how to swim, you're not just gonna get in the water and try, because you can actually die if you drown, like, you know what I'm saying? And people that know how to swim, they'll be like, no, I got you. Like, if the wave is taking over both of us, who got me? Because you don't even have yourself. So it's just a lot. But she said Josh was trying to make her conquer her fear. I wasn't playing that with Xavier. I was like, Xavier, I'm holding on to you. Do the right thing. That's all I was worried about. So, but yeah. It's been a nice little day. Not too late yet. We got here, we set up, Dustin grilled, and then we got in the water, and then we chilled out for a little while, and then now me and Keandra are taking a little stroll. I think we're gonna make a store run, which low-key we need to go see what they're doing with that, because I really want to go for it. So I will talk to you guys in a little. Y'all packing up?
Dustin?
I'm leaving.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
I took a nap. They said I was sleeping for a while. I'm not worried about it though. I was so tired. I'm tired right now. I feel dirty. What'd you say?
You going back to your vlogging roots with the iPhone now.
Well, no, I just don't feel like getting my camera out, so I'm just gonna like vlog on my phone.
Remain humble. Don't forget where you came from.
Boy, bye. Like.
Her crop top, her shorts, her shoes. Ooh.